Okay, we're going to take our first quiz, and I can't go into the student view because the quiz isn't available yet. So I have to make this video from the teacher view. So it's going to look slightly different, but what you'll notice is going to pop up our first quiz. It's going to call quiz 2.1 to 2.3 this semester. Just watch it, whichever semester is watching this video. Just watch. I always put the quizzes in this like red, so you'll notice tests and quizzes are hard to miss. Okay, now and remember they become available on Thursdays at 1 p.m. and they are due Tuesdays at 11:59. So regardless of the semester, that's the timing. So the dates might be different, but the idea is the same. Now, make sure you read this, and clearly you are watching this video because this is what's going right here. So clearly you're watching the video. So now what we're going to do, the key thing I want you to understand about our quizzes is these are like quizzes that you would be taking in person as well as on, if you're online or in person. I want you to use the same rules. So meaning no tutors, no books, no online resources, no anything other than paper, pencil, TI-83, 84 calculator, and obviously you do need to use the quiz itself. But aside from that, other than that, that's all you use. Now, when we go ahead and click into the assignment, you're going to notice it's slightly different than the homework. We do have a time limit of 20 minutes. If you don't like having it there, you can always click it, kind of minimize it. Now, I don't want to scroll down because I don't want to expose the other questions, but what I do want to show you here is you'll notice this first question is just stating that you understand the rules, and it's worth 0 points. And then you can see going forward, the points for all the other problems are listed. You still get 100 attempts. And here's the deal, though. You're not going to see if you got it right or wrong. So if, for example, if I say, I agree not to use any of the materials materials for the quiz other than a blank scratch paper, TI-83 or 84 calculator. I have closed all other programs and windows on my computer. I have logged out of MOER account on any other devices. Okay, submit. Notice I don't find out if that's right or wrong. I see I answered 1 out of 5, right? But you're not going to know how you did because this is just like a quiz if you're taking it in person. If you don't get to walk up to the teacher and say, "Did I get it right? Yes or no?" and then go back and try again. So you can take your full 20 minutes and you can keep resubmitting just like you would on a normal homework assignment. So if you find an error in your work and you want to correct it and then re-enter your answer, you can absolutely do that. Just the last answer submitted in the system will be graded. So you say, "Oh, no, that's the answer I wanted. Yeah, that's the one I wanted." Oh shucks. I don't see. Notice it doesn't know. I still just know 1 out of 5 has been answered. And under the details, we'll see nothing there because you don't get to know if you got it right or wrong. Other than that, the last thing you have to remember is when you are done quizzes, I'm grading your work, right? So you need to take pictures of your work and upload them into OneNote. Now, when you go into OneNote, just like uploading pictures of your notes, you are going to go into your personal folder, and then you're going to go into the quiz and test section, and you're going to be looking for a quiz that is named something like quiz 1, 2.1 to 2.3, or quiz work or whatever it may be, but you're looking for a sheet that's already been there. If you create your own sheet, it will not be graded because the system brings up like a list of all the students' names, and I click on your name and your work pops up. I click on your name and the work pops up. So if you create your own sheet, it won't be in that list. So it's imperative you use the actual sheet that's in your quiz folder that's already there for you. If it's not there, please contact me and I'll find out why it's not there. So let me pause one more time. Here we go, and we're back here, and so this is what I wanted to show you. So you will see the notes, it's right in here. When you finish your quiz, you must upload your work to OneNote within 30 minutes. So I highly recommend that if you upload your notes to OneNote through anything other than the web browser, especially for something like a quiz or a test because it has that time limit. What I highly recommend is once you think that they are uploaded and you're pretty sure, like if you did it from your phone, you go to the syllabus written homework solutions, you click on this link and you go to your folder there. If you see it on the web browser, then you know it's in the cloud and you know I'll see it. If you don't see it there, then what I want you to do as a backup, just take your pictures of your notes, email them to me in either in MOER, attach them to an email, or send them to a regular email just so I have it documented that those notes were the notes that you had at that time. and then work on getting them uploaded to OneNote. But because I need it there so I can write on it and grade it and that kind of stuff. But so what I highly recommend, if you're uploading, one more time, if you're uploading your notes using using a OneNote app, they have to be up within 30 minutes. OneNote timestamps everything, so I will see if it's been there within 30 minutes. So take your pictures rapidly, get them uploaded, whatever the quickest way you can do it, and then verify they're uploaded using in the block for syllabus, written homework and solutions. Verify it on the web app. If you see them on the web, you're good to go. Um, okay, I hope that gets you ready for your first quiz, and I wish you the best of luck.